Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to commit to completing one of the videos in order to do an image manipulation. So go ahead and look at your plan and determine which video you might start with. I'm going to go ahead and start with video 2, so I'll open that up. I'm actually going to use this video to help me change the eye color of a kitty cat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in cat eyes because I want to change the eye color of cat eyes. I'm going to go ahead and select images. I'm going to choose tools at the top. I'm going to change the size to large. You want large quality images. So after you specify large, go to usage rights and choose labeled for reuse with modification because you will be making changes to this image. Now if you don't want to bother with squaring the image, you're going to choose settings and then advanced search. You would then come to aspect ratio and choose square and choose advanced search. It should bring back square images. Sometimes it doesn't, so be aware of that. You know what a square looks like.
Well, I would hope you know what a square looks like. If not, Google it.
So now that I have large, label for reuse with modification square images, I'm going to locate a cat with eyes I want to modify. So I'll go ahead and click on this cat here. Now that does not look like it's good quality, so I'm going to choose view image. And there's the good quality image. Now if I scroll down, do make sure that you don't save these images because these are not squares, and if you do save it, you need to square it. But I'm just going to bypass squaring and save this image. I'm going to right click, choose save image as. I'm going to locate that folder on my desktop called image portfolio, and I will call this one cat 1. I can go to my PowerPoint. I can add it to the auto shape by going to Format, drop down arrow of the paint bucket picture, and locate that image. Notice it's not showing up. This is good for you to see this. So I'm going to go investigate what is going on my desktop. So I'm investigating my image in that folder, and you notice it says .jpg !D. Well, that is the problem. You need to right click and choose rename. And I'm going to get rid of the ending. It should just be .jpg. Now when I click enter, click yes, the image will pop up. So I'll go ahead and re-add that image. And now I'm going to go to Photoshop and make some changes based on the video. I did want to point out that you need to take note by going to the site, reading the description and information about terms of use if you're not going to be using Pixabay. In this case, the website says it's free to use and you do not have to give attribution. So in other words, you don't have to credit. I will, however, thank the site called PXHERE because it's the right thing to do. So I'll come here and immediately thank my source. After watching the video and making manipulations in Photoshop, this is the end result. So I added it to my presentation so you can see my before and after. I might just call it cat eyes as the title. Click save. I credited my source, so I'm now ready to get started with my next image. I will go back to that plan to determine which video and which images to get. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.